SmartSheet tutorial for beginners, how to use SmartSheet. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video we'll take a look at this project management software. This platform provides us the opportunity to interact with our project, to manage our team. So basically there are a lot of options of how can we use this platform. So I'll share my own experience. I'll show you all the features, all the functionality. I will discover its interface, we'll create an account. So basically, as you can see, we have a lot of integrations here. A lot of companies use SmartSheet, and also it's like highly trusted by different platforms like Capterra, GitHub, and so on. So here we are on their start page, and you just simply need to click on try SmartSheet for free. So we have 1 month free trial on this platform. After that you can subscribe to it using the paid plans. $7 per month per user, $25 per month per user, or like $9 and $32. If you're going to pay monthly, you'll get all the features up to 10 editors, unlimited free versions, unlimited sheets, forms and reports, 20 gigabytes attachment store. So basically it's not that expensive to interact with this platform, but you have a huge team, so it could be a little bit expensive. So after creating an account, you'll come to this page. Basically you'll have to answer for a couple of the questions to make it a little bit easier to create a workspace for you. You'll also be able to create your first project, but yeah, you'll come to this page after all. And here in the left side we have this menu where we have a home page where we can manage all the projects we have. So now I only have one project here. We can click on create new to create a new one. Also we have the notification. So for example, if somebody assign us to any tasks or maybe add something which is related to us, we'll be able to find all the information right up here. So it could be really helpful if you work in a huge team and you don't want to miss something. So notifications is a quite good folder. On the browse option we can now find all the things here. We can add the workspaces, we can interact with them, we can find all the sheets, all the work apps, and basically this platform is also really good. On the recent area we can find all the history of our opened project. Also could be really helpful if you want to find, for example, project you opened like a year, like a week ago or something like this. And the favorites, you can also mark your projects to not lose them if you have a huge amount of different projects inside. On the work apps, the same thing. You can also click on create to find a lot of different projects you can use, a lot of templates provided by a SmartSheet. We have a project, request management, business budget management, and so on. So like tons and tons of different templates could be used completely without paying on a free trial at least. We have like campaign management, client implementation, and so on. So as you can see, a lot of features here. And let's say that I want to create something easy, for example, project here. So let's click on this and let's click on create from template. You can discover all the things inside. I'm going to click on create from template to now set up my project. It may take a little time, depends on server's capacity or some other things, but after all we'll come to the next page where we'll be able to interact with all the information, and after that we can then customize everything as we need. So what do we have here? Firstly, we have this sub menu where we can find the project template folder. We can find the overview task report, project dashboard, task sheet, task summary report, reports area with a project portfolio and project. So here we can manage all the projects. So we have a project as the main thing here. We can find all the phases here, and the phases divided into different tasks. So we have a subtask 1, subtask 2, and so on. So we can also add the people, we can assign our task to, start date, end date, health, status, and we can manage all the other things. We can also switch between different diagrams, from Gantt view to maybe grid. Let's try to switch to timeline probably. So as you can see now, it looks like this, which is like pretty cool. It could be really helpful to visualize all the information. We have a couple of options. We can zoom in, zoom out, change the time scale, go to today's date, filter if it's necessary as for us, share it with someone. We can add a theme here and do some other things. On the project dashboard, we also have wall dashboard about our projects, like the number of tasks just completed, started, and so on. So we can click on any single object to find all the detailed information, as you can see. And now we have today's tasks, for example, and something like this. We also have the option to manage the file, create, open, save, delete, share, edit view, like edit dashboard, and so on. So as you can see, nothing really hard here to interact with SmartSheet itself. Basically, all you need to do is just to create your own project and then just fill it with the content you want to fill it with. So let's click on plus. Let's add a new dashboard, for example, and now our dashboard is ready. We can add a widget, for example, if it's necessary. As for us, we can add different metrics, charts, shortcuts, reports, title, rich text, image, and so on. So yeah, it looks really good. So as for me, it's definitely worth using if you want to use a SmartSheet. One more time, let's discover their prices. So we can find the Pro, Business, Enterprise. So the main difference is in the number of editors, timeline view. Here we'll also get like admin capabilities, 1 TB attachment store, workload tracking, unlimited automations, and so on. So like $9 versus $39 is not that big, but it's like per user, so you need to understand. So basically that's all about SmartSheet. Try to use it on your free trial. Definitely it's worth using for your company. It will make much easier to interact with this stuff. They also have a lot of different features. You can discover it by yourself, and they provide us a lot of different solutions. So hope this video helped you out. If it is, please leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.